What is up everyone, this is Jojo the Techie, and today we're taking a look at another case in my Pixel Fold case journey. The Google OEM case for the Pixel Fold. Google's OEM cases can be a hit or miss, but Google has definitely gotten it right this time with their Pixel Fold silicone case, which offers just the right fit with very noticeable superior quality. I opted to purchase the porcelain color since that was the color that I originally wanted for my Pixel Fold. But unfortunately, I ended up with obsidian, which is still a gorgeous color, but just not what I originally wanted. But I digress, as I want to share the look and feel of this case, as well as my experience using it for the past few days. Just like many other cases for the Pixel Fold, the Google OEM case comes with adhesive strips to help the case stay on in case of a hard fall where other cases would normally come apart. However, as I do plan to switch cases often, I usually opt not to use these adhesive strips, but if your intention is to keep this case on at all times, by all means go ahead and use the strips. The strips are covered with a piece of film accompanied by pull tabs, and I will either hide or cut mine so they don't get in the way of the installation. The top portion of the case snaps right on and fits quite snug just as the bottom portion. Once both pieces are on, you'll notice that the volume and power buttons are exposed via a larger cutout, making it easier to click on either. I much prefer this design to the smaller individual cutouts that require a bit more precision. Google's original case does not offer additional hinge protection, as this is meant to be a minimal case. This means that the back of your hinge will be fully exposed. This is the price you pay when you don't want your device to look bulky. There is a slightly raised lip around the camera bar that offers some protection should you place your Pixel Fold on a non-smooth surface, and also minimizes the appearance of the camera bump. The cutouts for the USB-C port, speakers, and mic are as precise as they can be, ensuring that you don't run into any issues when listening to music, watching content, or charging your device. The feel of the silicone finish is very satisfying, as it is not the type of silicone that is sticky, but actually very smooth, especially when removing from a pocket. I really do love the contrast of the porcelain case against the black and silver surfaces of the phone. You also get bragging rights by being able to show off the Google logo on the back of your case. This case is definitely my favorite so far. I just wish it had MagSafe compatibility like other third-party cases do, but alas, MagSafe is not a feature Google advertises on their phones, as this is an Apple thing, so Google's not about to add that on their cases. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, because there is a lot more Pixel Fold content to come, including more cases that I'll be checking out. See you in the next one!